Hi friends, I am Amala. I am going to explain the sixth experiment of Unix lab. The sixth experiment of Unix lab is regarding functions and arrays. That is the usage of functions and arrays to develop Unix shell script. So the two applications we want to develop are bank application and a library application. So at first we'll see how to develop a bank application using Unix functions. The functions I am giving in this bank applications are: we can deposit the amount, withdraw the amount, and we can do the balance inquiry. So at first we'll see the functions in deep. So for deposit, for depositing we are asking the amount from the account holder, and then we are incrementing the balance according to the amount, because initially a balance is there and it's set, and after that we are displaying the deposited amount. And then for withdrawing, similarly we are asking to enter the amount to be withdrawn, and then we are minusing that withdrawing amount from the balance, and then we are printing it. And for balance inquiry, the current balance in the account will be displayed. This is the functions, and in the main program we are setting balance as 1000, we are giving it in a loop. That is, if we press 1, then it will be continued, or 0, it will be exited. So the we'll give it in a case. That is, there are 3 cases. First case is deposit, second one is withdraw and balance inquiry, and we are calling that function here in different cases. And if you are entering a invalid case, then it will be noted. And now we'll see the output. So we have to enter an operation. They are asking us to deposit, withdraw, balance inquiry. Now I will give deposit. So I'm entering 1000. Already 1000 was present in the account, so it will be given as 2000 here. It will be incremented by 1000, and then to continue I'm pressing 1, and now we'll withdraw an amount. We'll withdraw 500, and that amount is withdrawn, and now 1500 should be the balance, and now we'll check for the balance. 3. So it's 1500, the balance is 1500, and now we can exit. So 1. While we pressing 0, we can exit from this program. This is about bank, and the next program is to develop a library application. So we'll see the library application. In library, in bank we used only functions, and when it comes to library, we are going to use arrays too with the functions. So it's the library, and we have 3 functions in library also. We can add books, search book, and display the book details. So first I'm going to we'll see the program. See, these are the functions, that is add, search, and display the book details. So for adding the book, we have to enter how many books we have to enter. Then using a for loop, we are entering the details into array. In first array, we are entering the title of the book. In second one, we are entering the version of the book, and then the author of the book, and the number of books in stock. These all are the things we are entering. The title, version, author, and number of books we are entering in the arrays. That is, the array is given by title of ampersand I. This is the declaration of array here, and we are implementing it using a for loop. After for searching, again using for loop, we are entering the title of the book, and we'll check if the title is present in the array, and if it is present in the array, then the the details of the book will be displayed using a display function. And then the display function, using display function, the number of books, the different types of book we have entered in the book array will be displayed. It also uses a for loop. And now we will see the main program. That is, here we are giving the different functions in switch case itself, and we have 3 cases, and those 3 cases we will be using. Each case can be continue if it is needed. We'll be using the continue function in each case, and we will be displaying the output. Now we'll go for the output. So first we'll go for adding a book. We'll add 2 books. Title of first book we can give it as A, then version 1, author name E, number of books will be 2. Now we are asked for the second book. Author name will be F, and now number of books may be 3. Now we have entered the details of the book, and now if we want to continue, if we want to display the book details, add the book. We'll add just 1 book. The name should be E. 1. For continuing, press 1, and now we'll search for the book. We'll give the title as A. Then the details of that book is displayed. Again continue. If we give the display function also, the details will be displayed. This can be done for any number of books by adding it to the array and using the different functions. By this, the 6th experiment is over, and thank you for watching.